Amber Heard and Johnny Depp's marriage counselor says she would strike him to keep him. Amber Heard and Johnny Depp's former marriage counselor has given evidence in the tense court trial between the actress and her ex-husband Johnny Depp, claiming that the former had been a victim of childhood attacks herself and would strike Johnny to keep him. Dr. Laurel Anderson, who worked with troubled Amber Heard and Johnny Depp for a total of 21 historic sessions as they struggled to repair their marriage, told the court that abandonment was Amber's worst nightmare and that she would strike her partner in a bid to keep him there. The counselor also claimed that she believed the abuse was mutual. Based on notes shared taken during their sessions, she described Johnny as a man who had been well controlled for decades, and depicted both himself and Amber as victims of abuse at home in their younger years. She also claimed that Amber felt humiliated if Johnny attacked her, as it linked back to when she felt powerless as a child when being physically violated by her father. Her history is having been violated by her father, so she was sensitive to feeling disrespected, she said. If she felt disrespected, she had come out of her background history feeling her pride needed to dominate and she needed to stand up for herself. I know she led the physical fighting on more than one occasion and started it to keep him with her. Because abandonment and having him leave was her worst nightmare, Dr. Anderson told the court. She added at Pirates of the Caribbean star Johnny's $50 million defamation trial. Ms. Heard reported that it was a point of pride to her, if she felt disrespected, to initiate a fight. Her father had beaten her, she was not going to end. She continued, if he was going to leave she would strike him to keep him there. She would rather be in a fight than have him leave. Dr. Anderson, whose testimony was screened by video, explained, he had been well controlled for almost 20-30 years, and with Ms. Heard he was triggered and they engaged in what I saw as mutual abuse. She also recalled her perception that Johnny had struggled in having a voice. He had trouble talking at a similar pace, she reflected, and he was cut off a lot by Amber. Ms. Heard had a jackhammer style of talking, she claimed.